Hi, my name is Silent Gimmon, and I am the owner of the trustisyou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now with an exclamation mark. Today is Monday, August 21st, so I always do a Monday night meeting, 8 p.m. East Coast time, called Q&A. But I'm also going to do a live speech on September 12th at 4 p.m. that is going to kick off my public speaking tour. So I want to invite you to that. So this is going to be the slide for today. Let me share. So on September 12th, 2023, 4 p.m. East Coast time, I am going to do my new live with my new slide deck and new course outline to talk about the Spendthrift Trust. Tonight, August 21st, 8 p.m. East Coast time, I do a Q&A with the old slide deck. So with the Spendthrift Trust, it is legal, it is patented, it's in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo. It comes from England from way back when King Henry VIII started the Church of England. He got in trouble for chopping off his wives' necks, so he started a new church. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England. The lords and ladies in England went back to the Magna Carta saying, no, 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 King Henry VIII, you can't do this. Came over from England as contract law. The law firm I work on behalf of has a trust that's turning 350 years old in 2023. So this is as legal can be. If your CPA or your financial advisor gives you a hard time about this, I have 2 pages of case law and a book recommendation for Scott and Asher on Trust 5th edition. This is a textbook that trust attorneys study in law school. Only 3% of all attorneys are trust attorneys. So most people have never, ever heard of the Spendthrift Trust. The Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys have this trust. Now, the trust is legal, patented in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's going to save you in 3 ways. Number 1, it's going to save you federal taxes. Everybody wants to save federal taxes. So the federal taxes, people don't realize the U.S. Federal Tax Code went into effect in 1913. It was supposed to be 6 years because we were planning to go into World War I, and then it was supposed to dissolve. Well, it's been more than 100 years now, and there's a lot of information in the tax code. It is 10 times the size of Shakespeare's work. Think about Shakespeare and how good, Romeo and Juliet, As You Like It, Midsummer Night's Dream, King Henry III, some great reading. The tax code's not fun. Most CPAs, I'm not making fun of them, I'm dyslexic and I transpose numbers, so I wish them the best. Most CPAs work in the 300, 400 level. That's where the majority of 1040 tax returns are written, at the 300, 400 level. This is way up in the 600 level. Back when the tax code was established in 2013, the very powerful families like the Rockefellers, the Carnegies, the DuPonts, and others all got together and made sure they were taken care of. Now I'm teaching you their secret. The business trust is for 1099 income workers. If you're a 1099 income worker and you want to save at least 70% on your federal taxes, you need to talk to me. Most of my clients are saving 90% to 92%. I personally saved 92% in 2022, but I can legally save 70%. I've done a presentation on this before, but this is a true client. He has 2 pizzerias in the Charlotte area. He is filing jointly with his wife. They make about $15,000 per month in 1099 income, and they're at 22% tax rate. Tax rates are between 10% to 37%. You have to tell me your tax rate. So in the first year, his taxes would be $30,215, and we're going to save him at least $21,150. That's a lot of money. So he's going to save that in 2023. He's going to save that in 2024. And in 2025, he's going to open a 3rd pizzeria. In 2026, he's going to open a 4th pizzeria. He's going to continue working from 2026 for another 7 years, then retire and leave 2 pizzerias to one son and 2 pizzerias to another son. So, and he won't have any inheritance tax or anything else, and they'll continue saving 1099 income from generation to generation to generation. Beautiful thing. Now, if you're an investor, a passive investor, a real estate investor, a crypto miner, if you are doing stock market investing, options trading, forex trading, or you have royalties, you will no longer pay those taxes ever again. year after year, generation after generation. I am saving people thousands of dollars doing this. That's the second trust. The third trust is going to be the charitable trust. The charitable trust is for nonprofits, and that you'll be able to get grants. I am applying for a Google grant where I'll get $10,000 a year. $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month, so I can promote learnwithsallymarie.com. This helps people pay down debt, get out of debt, and start saving for retirement. With this, I'm going to get other grants that I will never have to pay back. And then the fourth trust I talk about is the senior trust. This is for people who are 65 or older who are on Social Security. Every year, October 2023, they're going to go back. IRS is going to go back to the filings, 1040 tax filings of 2021 to check to see if anybody on Social Security has made more than $91,000. If you have, it's going to affect your IRMA. IRMA is income-related monthly adjustable amount. This is your Part B of your Medicare. Part B are your doctors and your tests. And right now, average Americans are paying about $166 a month from their Social Security. If you're making more than $91,000, you'll pay more for that. And if you made more than $170,000, either in Social Security, 401k withdrawals, taxes, wages, capital gains, interest income, dividend income, or royalties, you're going to start paying the federal government. Now, the key to this is all four trusts: the business trust, the beneficial trust, the charitable trust, and the senior trust file 1041 tax returns, and the federal government won't look at those in 2021. Beautiful thing. If I can help you save federal taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust, I will go live today, 8 p.m. East Coast time, for my Q&A. But my new speech on September 12th, 2023 at 4 p.m. is going to have a new slide deck and everything else. I want to say thank you for listening to me today. I hope you have a beautiful day. Please reach out to me, thetrustisyou.com. You can set an appointment if you would like to start saving taxes legally. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your week. Bye-bye.